Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a kind hearted farmer. Every day, Raj. He tended to his fields and shared his harvests with those in need. One day, while walking home, he found a wanted bird laying on the ground. Instead of ignoring it, Raj gently picked it up and he looked at nursed the bird back to health, feeding it and providing a safe place to rest. As the days passed, the bird regained its strength. One morning, Raj opened the window and the blood flew out, but not before singing a beautiful song of gratitude. To Raj's surprise, the next day, the bird returned with a handful of seeds. It dropped them in Raj's garden, and soon his crops flourished like never before. The villagers were amazed at Raj's good fortune. They learned that kindness, even to the smallest creatures, can bring unexpected rewards. The moral of the story is that acts of kindness, no matter how small, can lead to great blessing in our lives.